Christian Coalition wish to remind the Zambian Christians that this year is 2020. Next year we are going for presidential, parliamentary and local government, elections. This simply means that the politicians in Zambia will be seeking a mandate, a fresh mandate from you Zambians. All along, as Christians, we have allowed political cadres to make a decision on our behalf, to vote for a candidate adopted by their political parties. This time around, the Christian Coalition is saying the Christians, we have a moral responsibility to rise up in our numbers and cast our vote to renew the mandate of the leaders that are going to offer themselves for public office. And to do this, you need to have a valid voter's card, number one. Number two, you need to have a national registration card. Some of you may have lost your cards. Some of you may have lost your voter's card or NRC. You should not worry. On this platform, we will keep on reminding you to ensure that you put in place these two important documents, the voter's card and NRC, because this is your right to have a say on how you are governed and who is governing you. It is important for you to understand that as believers and as Christians, we have a moral responsibility to participate in the governance of our country, more especially that Zambia is a Christian nation. You Christians, you have political ambitions, aspirations. Between now and November, December 2020, identify yourself with a political party of your choice in which you can be adopted. The Christian Coalition will stand with you. We will campaign with you on the political platform. We will use our structures to ensure that we support Christians that offer themselves for public service. And to do this, contact us through the numbers rolling down on this program, so that when you contact us, we will link you to our district leadership, constituents leadership, ward leadership, branch leadership, that you work together with them. And also, you will be attending our meetings in which we are conducting workshops for Christians that aspire to stand in public office. It is your opportunity to confirm what the scripture says, that as Christians we are the head and not the tail. For us to fight dictatorial tendencies that are generating in Zambia, that are killing democracy in Zambia, there is need to rise up as Christians and we begin to be counted. It is important that we rise up as a church, we rise up as a fellowship and as a community of believers, so that we can participate in the governance of our nation. Every week I'll be coming to remind you, to ensure that we work together to build up a Christian vote. We are, as a Christian Coalition, we are saying a Christian vote is the only objective vote which can't be bribed, which can't be bought. Because no one will come to you and scandalize another person, because for us, we believe in love. We are brothers keeper. We may differ in political dispensation, we may differ in political support or affiliation, but we are all Zambians, and above all, we are Christians created in the image of God. That means that we are going to demonstrate love even when we differ politically. We will not fight, we will not scandalize each other, we will compete by introducing politics of engagement. We believe that when we begin to engage, we are going to vote for a person with a message of hope, not a person who would come to you scandalizing the other, who would come to you with a chitenge, with a political song, or with a t-shirt, but a person who's going to say, I am here, I have offered myself to provide an alternative governance system because our colleagues have failed and I believe I can bridge the gap. Or somebody will come to you to say, thank you for the mandate that you gave us. We have done the following and you give us the next 5 years, we will do the following. These are the people we are looking for. Above all, we are looking for leaders that will unite this country based on one Zambia, one nation. God bless you, and remember that Christian Coalition is your voice in governance. Thank you so much.